got this application here called SpeedTop VPN. I'll pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the on screen of the VPN application. Very simple, nothing hard for you to not understand. So here in the settings option, you can pretty much go here and enable the split timing feature, which pretty much allows you to select which application you don't want a VPN connection and which you do. VPN protocol option, you can use either TCP mode or UDP mode. I do recommend you let it stay in on auto if you don't know much about VPNs. So that's pretty much it. The rest of the features are pretty much common sense. So yeah. So down here we see selected server. This is where you pretty much tap and pretty much see all these servers that are available for you to use. All of these servers are completely free. So all you have to do is just select which server you want to use and you're pretty much good to go. You also have servers in the streaming section. You can see here server for Netflix and also listening. So whichever one you would like to use, all depends upon you. So let's say, for example, I want to use an Indian server. You can just tap on the arrow icon here and as well see other servers within that location. So if I like the server that much, you can add a star to it, and that star server will be added to my favorite list at the top here. And they do also give you a recommended server for you to use, which pretty much means it's the fastest server. So you can either tap on that option here at the top, which is the fastest server. Once you have done that, tap on connection request. We'll ask for connection request and tap on OK. The VPN will be connected in no time. So very easy application to use. VPN servers, a lot of servers which you can use. Servers are decent speed, and let's check it out, guys, and let me know in the comment section what's your thoughts on this VPN as well. And if you have any problem, do comment below and let me know. And with all that, guys, see you in the next one.